creating an organic food blog or YouTube channel. Creating a successful organic food blog or YouTube channel in 2026 is about more than just posting pretty pictures of kale or filming yourself making a salad. We are living in an era where organic has evolved. It is no longer just a label on a grocery store shelf. It is a movement tied to climate resilience, transparency, and the rejection of ultra-processed foods, UPFs. If you are ready to dive into the world of organic content creation, this guide is your blueprint. We are going to cover everything from finding your unique micro niche to mastering the technical SEO side of things, all while keeping that friendly, conversational vibe that builds a real community. Chapter 1. Finding your soul in the organic niche. The biggest mistake new creators make is being too broad. I want to talk about organic food is a great start, but it's a crowded room. To stand out, you need to niche down until you find a corner of the market where you can be the undisputed expert, the rise of the knowledge influencer. In 2026, the trend has shifted away from purely aspirational lifestyle content. People are tired of seeing perfectly curated kitchens they can't afford. They are gravitating toward knowledge influencers, people who explain why things matter. Instead of just showing a recipe, talk about the nutrient density of the soil. Discuss the non-UPF, non-ultra-processed food movement. If you can explain the science of how regenerative organic farming leads to better tasting carrots, you've got a hook. Micro niche ideas to get you started. The Budget Organicist show people how to eat 100% organic on a tight budget. Focus on dirty dozen versus clean 15 strategies and bulk buying. The Apartment Homesteader. Growing organic microgreens and herbs on a balcony or in a kitchen window. Regenerative meat and dairy, focusing specifically on grass-fed, pasture-raised, and carbon-sequestering animal products. Ancestral organic cooking, using traditional fats like beef tallow, which is making a massive comeback, and fermented grains. 2. Setting up your digital kitchen. Blog or YouTube. Why choose one? In 2026, the most successful creators use a hybrid approach. The blog, your search engine powerhouse. A blog is your home base. While social media platforms can change their algorithms overnight, you own your website. SEO advantage. Blogs allow you to rank for long-tail keywords, e.g., how to find organic beef tallow in the Midwest. Recipe schema. Using specialized plugins allows your recipes to show up with star ratings and cooking times directly in Google search results. YouTube, the trust builder. YouTube is where people fall in love with your personality, the short to long funnel. Use YouTube Shorts to grab attention with quick tips, e.g., stop washing your organic mushrooms this way, and then link them to a long-form video that goes deep into the topic. Visual trust, seeing the organic certification on the label or the vibrant color of a real heirloom tomato builds trust that text alone can't match. 3. SEO in 2026. It's about experience, not just keywords. If you're still keyword stuffing like it's 2015, you're going to get buried. Search engines now prioritize EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Focus on semantic search. Instead of repeating the phrase organic apples 10 times, talk about the entire ecosystem. Mention pesticide-free, soil health, heirloom varieties, and seasonal harvesting. Search engines are smart enough to understand the context of your topic without you being repetitive. Answer engine optimization, AEO. With the rise of AI-powered search, your content needs to answer specific questions directly. Use clear headings. Instead of a heading like My Thoughts, use What is the difference between organic and regenerative? The TLDR summary. At the top of your blog posts, provide a 2-3 sentence summary of the answer. This helps you get featured in those AI-generated snippets at the top of search results. 4. Writing like a human, because AI can't do this part. As an AI myself, I can tell you that the one thing users crave more than anything in 2026 is humanity. We've reached peak content, so your unique voice is your superpower. Use sensory language. Don't just say the food is good. That's a filler word. Instead of say, this organic peach is delicious. Try, this peach has that fuzzy, sun-warmed skin that gives way to a juice so sweet, it reminds you why you bother shopping at the farmer's market. The dinner table test. When you write an article or a script, read it out loud. Does it sound like something you'd say to a friend over a glass of organic wine? Use contractions. Use don't instead of do not. Ask rhetorical questions. Ever wonder why those supermarket strawberries look like plastic and taste like nothing? Break the rules. It's okay to start a sentence with and or but. It creates a natural flow. 5. Content ideas that will crush it this year. If you're staring at a blank screen, here are some content buckets that are performing exceptionally well right now. The Audit series. Take a popular healthy product from a big box store and do a deep dive into its ingredients. Is it actually organic? Is it ultra processed? These investigative style videos build massive authority. Organic on a budget challenges. Challenges are inherently shareable. Try living on 100% organic food for $50 a week. Document the struggle, the wins, and the creative recipes you come up with. People love seeing the real side of healthy living. Farm-to-table documentaries, faceless or not. You don't even have to be on camera. Visit a local organic farm and film the process. Show the mud, the bugs, and the hard work. In a world of AI-generated perfection, raw and real is a luxury. 6. The technical side, the boring but essential stuff. You can have the best content in the world, but if your site takes 10 seconds to load, no one will see it. Core Web Vitals. Ensure your blog is lightning fast. Optimize your images, use WebP format, and use a clean, lightweight theme. Mobile-first design. 80% of your audience will likely be reading your recipes on a phone while standing in their kitchen. Make sure your font is large enough and your buttons are easy to click. Accessibility. Use alt text for your images. Not only does this help visually impaired readers, but it also tells search engines exactly what is in your photos. 7. Building a community, not just an audience. In 2026, the numbers matter less than engagement. 1,000 loyal fans who try every recipe you post are worth more than 1 million casual followers who never engage. The power of the newsletter. Every blog post and YouTube video should encourage people to join your email list. This is your direct line to your community. Offer a 7-day organic jumpstart PDF as a free gift for signing up. Interactive content. Use polls on YouTube and Instagram. Ask your audience, which should I review next? Organic frozen pizza or organic canned soups? When people feel like they are helping build the channel, they become your biggest advocates. 8. Navigating the anti-AI trend. Ironically, as AI becomes more prevalent, there is a growing movement for human-made content. Show your work. Share behind-the-scenes fails. Show the burnt organic muffins. It proves there's a real person behind the screen. Transparency over authenticity. Don't just be authentic, be transparent. If a brand pays you to talk about their organic flour, tell your audience. They will respect the honesty much more than a hidden ad. 9. Monetization. How to actually make a living. You've got the traffic. Now, how do you pay for all those organic avocados? Affiliate marketing. This is the easiest way to start. Link to your favorite organic pantry staples on Amazon or Thrive Market. Digital products. Sell meal plans. Introduction to organic ebooks or even a guide on how to talk to farmers at the market. Memberships. Once you have a core following, platforms like Patreon or a members-only section of your blog can provide stable recurring income. Offer exclusive recipes or monthly live Q&A sessions. Final words. Your journey starts with one meal. Creating an organic food blog or channel is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal is to be the voice of reason and health in a world that is increasingly confused about what to eat. Keep your focus on the quality of the food and the integrity of the information, and the audience will follow. The world doesn't need another generic food blog. It needs your perspective on why organic living matters.